Oh, bless your heart. That really helps. Thank you.
This is the group that really does all the work.
Well, I should leave then. You're working tonight.
Hey, those three, don't let Hank take any credit. I have to say that just to get him started.
Here we are Friday night, and the Southside Boat Club for the gathering for the 50th reunion. They've redone the building. Nice setting overlooking the river. Should be a good time.
I got a 19-year-old cat that...
Go.
I'm Joy Peterson, and I live in Hammond, Louisiana. And Judy Swift, I live in Keokuk.
And Sharon Moffler, I live in Keokuk in Florida.
Huh?
Diana Grice, 1607 Palin, Keokuk, Iowa.
Good.
Carrie Chessman, I live at 2013 Palin.
Linda Joe, she's over there. I'm Betty Best. It's good to see you, Bart. I live here in Keokuk.
Okay.
Hi, Bart. I'm Louise Gibson. I live in Portsmouth, Ohio.
Go.
Carolyn Hudson Dunlap, and my address is Cahokia, Missouri.
Super.
Alice Barber, Warsaw, Illinois.
Great.
Mary Nell Phillips, Hamilton, Illinois. Monroe, Texas.
Great. Tell me your name and who you are.
Altamont Springs.
I have no clue.
Oh, my name is Chris Glasgow, and I live in Monmouth, Illinois.
Already said that.
Huh?
You didn't know I did. Jan Gilbert Hellmeyer, Fort Madison.
So,
You better know who I am.
well, I know that, but that's for this.
I'm Joanne. I live in Colorado.
Thank you.
Veronica Kurtz. Here's my husband, Mike. We live here in Keokuk.
Leo Kearns.
By law, that's so much.
Is that what you
Ball carrier number 32, Zach Lockman. And on the stop, number 54, Ryan Hawkins, and number 9, Derek Rose.